Hello, this is Kana back with POS Guys. Today I'll be reviewing Zebra's rugged wearable mobile computer, the WT6400, and it is a perfect device for hands-free workflows, especially in environments such as warehouse, inventory, and manufacturing. And you can either pair it with a ring scanner, so there's a tap to pair, or you can also have a cord that plugs right in. And that's perfect for workflows that involve heavy scanning. If your main use is for communications and sending notifications, then you can also do that as well. There is a camera on here if you need to take pictures of damaged boxes or other things such as that, some light scanning. So yeah, this wearable mobile computer is one of the best on the market, I would say. It is Zebra's latest mobile wearable computer, and there's a lot of great features about this, so let's dive right in. The WT6400 features a large 4.7-inch HD display, so it's very easy to see, it's bright, it's vibrant, and I would say it's a perfect size. It's comparable to phone screen size, so yeah, if you have any tasks, instructions, data come up, then you can quickly look at your arm, and I can't see need to like zoom in on your screen. It's just all right there. So yeah, that is pretty ideal. It is also, in terms of connectivity, Wi-Fi 6E. So if you're in a busy environment, it can connect to Wi-Fi pretty well. And features Bluetooth 5.2, so that's very important for this device, especially since you'll be pairing ring scanners to this if that is needed. So what makes this device rugged? Well, the first thing that stands out is the lime green border it has around the screen and the keypad, and this really helps with withstanding drops and such, and also with such a bright color, you can easily find this device if for some reason it was misplaced. But that is one thing that's great about the wearable, is that it's really hard to lose it if it's just on your arm. So that is definitely a plus compared to if you had like a handheld mobile computer. Another thing, it is IP65 rated, so you can withstand dust and water, and the screen is Gorilla Glass, so it withstands any scratches and drops. Typical like wear and tear you would find in such work environments. So yeah, it is built to last, it is built to withstand those environments. It is also good for freezer grade settings, so it can withstand up to -22 degrees Fahrenheit, and yeah, that's definitely necessary for cold storage work. So let's look at actually wearing the device since it's a wearable. So right here I have a wristband with a single dial, and this comes in small, medium, large, so there's various sizes depending on your needs. And yeah, I just have it adjusted so it fits my arm. But there's also other styles of the wristband. There's a double dial, which I recommend because your arm is slightly tapered, so it kind of fits from the top of your arm to like lower, and so that keeps it really snug. And there's also a Velcro option if that is what you prefer. One other accessory for this, if you don't want to have it on your arm, you can also place it on your hip. There's a hip mount, and you could place your wearable mobile computer right on your hip if that is what you prefer as well. So right here I have the keyboarded option, so it's good if you have gloves. It's easy to just press the buttons. A really good use for this is if you want to program shortcuts, and you have the F keys right here. Otherwise, if that's not really important, having the shortcuts, the keyboard on the device works just as good. So let's see, let's pull up the keyboard. But yeah, it's like a standard keyboard, and with such a nice display, it's really easy to just type something in and you can see it just well. So let's take a look at the camera. But yeah, it goes out from your arm, so it's designed so that you can take a look at the screen if you're looking down while holding your arm up. So it is like a natural viewing angle, and it is a pretty clear camera. You could zoom in, and you can also take a video if needed. The WT6400 has hot swappable batteries, so it is a great way to maximize your time used by just taking this out and putting it back in, and no time is wasted. So there's no waiting in terms of charging your device, and it's really easy to take off and snap back in. So I do like that about this. Other ways you could charge this device is that you can just plug it in with a cable, or you can also get a cradle so you can charge the whole device. Another thing about the battery is that it lasts about 8 to 10 hours depending on your workflow, so definitely super important to be able to swap it out, and so that is a very nice feature to have. As far as wrist-mounted wearable mobile computers go, this is a really good option out there on the market. It has a bright, large display, it's rugged, it has Wi-Fi 6E, so quick connectivity, has a nicely angled camera, hot swappable batteries, it has everything. So if you're looking for a wearable mobile computer, this is the one for you. One thing to consider is that your workflow, you have to make sure that your workflow is designed specifically for wearable computers, because it's not the same as the workflow of a handheld mobile computer. There's other things involved. Oftentimes the ring scanner, it's on your wrist, it's horizontal, so those are some things to consider. But yes, wearables are designed for you to be hands-free while working, so when used properly, you can definitely maximize your productivity. For more information, check us out at POSGuys.com. Thanks.